Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? This is late hour. You can see my camera is quite dim because this is night. This is night. I decided to come at this hour to see if you can have one or two discussion. I don't know. Let me see. I'm trying to change the lights. I want to know how many of us that are awake, so we can discuss about what is going on or what happened late hour. We need to go through it as well. Armstrong are here. How are you? How are you? It should be afternoon your time, if I'm not mistaken. How are you, Armstrong? Nice to see you. Nice to see you. I'm still setting actually. I'm using trying to use laptop, not phone, to see how it will be. The time. Oh, afternoon. Okay. So you can hear me, right? You can hear me. Nice to see you. Nice to see you this hour. Um, I want to know how many people that I can meet at this hour. It's quite late here. It's quite late. Oh, nice to see you, Armstrong. Okay. There's something that I just want us to look into. I just want to talk about it this night. Is it is midnight here. It is late hour here. So we saw some people that are trying to use, the video, the post that PM made, where he posted that the people who were, marching with some local made gun and all that, and DOS, those green, white, green people have, used that to blackmail. You see our people, oh my goodness. Somebody said, we told you people that Simon Ekpa is using you people head to drink coconut water, but you don't want to hear nor learn from your mistake. I want you to check that picture below and tell me what you see there. Now, Emeka Gift first posted this nonsense, trying to use it against PM, saying that the PM is using it to, that is a fake news and all that, that he's claiming what he's not and all that. Just like sometimes most of us are using social media, and most of us know how it works. Sometimes you want to post something, maybe, for example, if I want to talk about America, for example, something, just want to make a post about America, I may decide to put Trump or Biden. Do you understand it? Or some of you have seen my carnival here. Sometimes I use my carnival. That's the picture that displayed before. After shooting video, you put a picture that we somehow let your viewers to know what the video is all about. If you're talking about Biafrans, you need to use pictures that are related to Biafrans. Do you understand? To make your carnival. And some pictures, some of my posts, I use Mass Namodekano picture or PM picture or Biafran Liberation Army picture. It does not mean that I don't know how to use my own picture. But the reason why I use that is for people, my viewers, to know what I am talking about, like where I'm driving my point from. That this video is Biafran related. It's not about US. It's not about UK. So I don't need to put picture from different people just to make you feel important or anything as such. What I'm trying to say is that PM put that picture, and some of these people, they're twisting it as if it's a big deal. And the person who is making this post, do you know what he put on his own profile picture? Green, white, green. Where they design background green and they use Masina Modecano on one side. They use Master Namagano on one side just to make it look like they know what they're doing. That Master Namagano, I don't know what they want to pass to people. When you design a green background and put Master Namagano with that, put that where he put on white clothes, you put it in the middle, not even at the edge. They put it in at center so that when you can green, white, green. And if they did it maybe mistakenly, people have been shouting about it. People have been shouting about it. Why are you using Master Mechanic picture, green, white, green? Are you trying to tell us that you have sold him to Nigeria? Are you proud that he has been kidnapped? What message are you passing to people? What message are you passing to people? They don't care. They don't care at all. All they want is to make sure that they keep on doing what they think that they can do, and nothing will happen to them. They believe that nothing will happen to them. So the same people who are doing this thing, they are now coming out to tell you that PM is lying. Do you know how he lied to them? That he put a picture of people marching. I don't even know if that picture is if they're Nigerians or I don't know where they come from. PM just put that to say that this is what is going on in our land, telling you that the information is that Biafrans are ready, that men are ready to march out, men are ready to defend the land, and they did not decode what PM said there. Instead of because they don't have any content. They don't have any content. They just want to, use PM to cash out. I wonder what is going on with mind of our people. Honestly, I wonder what is going on in the mind of our people. Guys, if you are watching me this later, I would love to know you by putting your comment so that I will recognize the name. Like our brother here, Armstrong, is the first to join me in this live stream, and he commented. So I would like to know how many of you that are awake this because I have not. I think I have not. Have I come online by this? I don't think so. They are deluded. Honestly, my brother, that is the word. They are deluded. It's true. You kidnap me. After kidnapping Madam Monogamy, these people use the flag. That is a very big insult, actually. They use the flag of Nigeria and put Madam Nagano in the middle to prove it. To what point are they proving by doing so? Oh my goodness! I really thank God that PM is here. Oh wow, Diana is here. Diana is here. Welcome to the program, Diana. See you. How are you this hour? It's I don't know your time there, but I'm sure that it's later on. Yeah, kindly you are here as well. My phone is on charge, so I am watching from TV. It is almost 6 p.m. Eastern. Oh, Eastern time. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. I really appreciate your presence, my sister. Yeah, I have not been. I haven't been live. I don't think I have streamed this hour before. I don't think. That's why I'm using laptop to know who is at work. So the green white green people are not. Emeka Gift is one of the chief of them. He decided to use that to blackmail PM for that, which is quite funny, very very funny. And not only them, not only these two, others are coming out as well to do the blackmail. Many of them are out to do the same thing. I'm telling you, many of them are out to do the same thing. The the one that shocked me is one of I have not seen the lady before. Immediately I came, I put my after putting my laptop, I went to my Twitter to see because I have my Twitter on my laptop and I have it also on my phone. Then I saw someone that called Christie, Oluchi Christie. I don't know if she's of course it's an Igbo because her name is Oluchi Christie. She posted something. Someone that I don't even follow her. I don't follow her. I don't know how the message just appeared on my screen. What I saw there is very, very funny actually. She dig out how many of you have seen a sticker where they design where they put PM's Twitter handle and his picture, and they detailed it very, very well because these people they are criminal minded. They went to Carnival to design that, and the person that they worked, because assuming that I'm using my phone, I would have loved to show you the way they designed this. They carved it wrongly. Even part of the where they attach PM picture, in the name that this is his profile. They after his that this is his Twitter page and all that. They did everything, but you can still see some black background, because they did not clean it very well. They then tab his name, tab his Twitter handle, and guess what they put in that post in the name that PM said is. Those agitating for Biafra are miscreants. You can't be agitating at the same time disturbing people's business and you call that agitation. Do you understand? And they said that he made this post in 2016. Twitter for, not from, Twitter for iPhone. That was what they put in. And retweet is 35, quote is 15, like is 215. They made this, and this lady attached it and said, "Time, how time flies. Anyone still following this infiltrator and still claim to be focused on who to follow is just being mischievous and worse than the chief infiltrator himself. Guess who the this woman followed? She followed Aloy Ejimakor, Kano Takano, because both of them I follow them as well. These two, Aloy Ejimakor and Kano Takano. I think have I unfollowed Aloy? I think I've done that. Yes, I did. I did. So what I'm seeing here is Kano Takano. As if that's not enough, when I scroll down, I saw another people also posting the same thing, and this is sharing it. Because what they do is once everywhere is calm, or maybe they notice that wow, this guy is making headline, and he went after this after putting out voting referendum, he's now doing another thing by launching police department, Biafran coin, and now he have announced the Finland Convention. Wow, all those things is a big problem to them, very big problem. So they have jumped out to do what they normally do, to see a way, the best way to blackmail the effort of PM and the French government in exile. So it's not a new thing. Why I'm bringing it to you this because it seems like it's trending, from their side. It's trending from their side, but Biafran have vowed to do the job by not even calling or tagging it to PM. People are now on her page responding to her, and some of their followers as well are also there, but they are just few. Okay, watching autopilot Biafra. Bunkai, that is name of somebody on Twitter. He said, I always know that you have no value. That is a response to the girl, to the woman. Frustration and loneliness will completely finish you. Look for attention. Wabi, wabi. I don't know what they think. I don't know the language he put there. It could be maybe one of the slangs in Igbo language. And Biafran flesh and blood. Okay, Biafran flesh and blood. I think okay. Biafran flesh and that's another person. Nigerian, you were fighting to live was once your lovely country. IPOB Nigeria in the ECOG. IPOB one Nigeria in the ECOG. Somebody attacked another person that just sent her a very big pig. Then this one says, while for Igbo said, you come late. If you are just seeing it, hope you have voted. Why, Fulani? like I said, Biafrans don't take nonsense from. They don't give chance to anybody. Once you want to mess yourself up, they will help you very, very well. Armstrong said, Biafra are wise now. No blackmail can bring down our PM. Not at all, not at all. The more you do that, the more you're fooling yourself. The more oh my goodness. Let me continue with the comment before I move to another thing. Omego 51 said, Efulefu, where have you been? Though you thought you had vanished in shame, your attack on PMs and on Ekpa is meaningless. As you can see, the world is singing his praises at his effort to liberate Biafran, okay, minus you and your family. Oga Figinaya, yeah. Okay, Vam. PM is Odogu. That is what she said. So the one that I will just read before I move to another thing is somebody, Engineer Henry Chukwuemeka, his own reply. He said, "We have gone belong. We have gone beyond. I think that's what the word is. We have gone beyond the level of this blackmail. Look for another modern one. As Nigerian IPOB has used it, they have used it. She's not even current. I have seen these people post. I think that was last year, not even late last year. I think that was middle of last year or even early last year. I saw this the same design day, but this woman, and this is my first time of seeing her tweet or anything as such. I don't know why Twitter, you know, feed me with that kind of news. Immediately I saw that, I said, "Oh, I must comment on this," but I don't need to, show it or for anything. No, there's no point. People were just bombing her what she deserved. Some even used gorilla, some used monkeys. But one thing I noticed about these people, they don't read comments. They only just post something and disappear. Comment is not allowed. They don't care about comments. No, 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 no. Comment section is what they avoid most. I went to the other time I was scrolling in DOS child on his own Twitter page. Guess what? People were just at a 20 minutes, no, 22 minutes video posted, and people were hitting her from everywhere. Oh, 42, how are you doing? I feel you. George Okefi. George Okefi, you often call me 042. I don't know why you got that. What is 042? Can you tell me what you mean by 042, George? Let me know. Let me know what you mean by 042. I would like to know. Let it be open to them, okay? And this your image crying. Is he crying or laughing? I don't know what it means. George, is there anything you know that I don't know? Let me know. Let me know. Something is behind this your comment. Ebere Okafor. Oh, you deleted the message immediately. Okay. Ebere, I see you. George, okay. Enugu phone code. Are you from Enugu, George? Enugu, are you from Enugu? I know it's Enugu. Are you from Enugu? Are you from Enugu? That's why I was like, okay, yeah, okay, okay. So you're watching from Enugu then, or are you outside the coast city? Okay, let's move to another thing while waiting for Josh's response. Let me move to another thing. And then I put because anytime you see that I don't know if YouTube will allow me to play this song. That's different between YouTube and Facebook. If I'm not streaming, if I'm streaming this video on the Facebook, I may just say Facebook, I don't have copyright of this song, and they will allow you to play it. But Facebook is more strict. But in terms of music, that's the way you can use it, and nobody will question you. Nigeria is a destiny killer. End it now. Just listen to this this Odumeje video. Okay. Please, guys, are you listening to? If I play something here, is it coming out? Or am I the only one that Mauritania? Okay, you are in Mauritania. Okay, what is time there in Mauritania, George? Nah, Igbo people are everywhere. Mauritania, that's an African country. Yeah, Mauritania is an African country. Ebero Okafor, you deleted your message. Okay, yes, I think I've seen that before. Let me see. Please, if you can hear the sound, you let me know because it's supposed to be playing out, of course. But if you hear it, just let me know that you can hear it.
Look at police officer. Go to the ground, careful. Or go we go. If I put I need go. And as I'm a governor. Oga wari awayo. Oga what balo go on and keep us wa. Makongo no pit ma. Balo go on and keep us wa. Oya go no juma pata. They put the cop. Unu de go on a cop. For what? Plan on prepare for the component generally I have ever catch and cruise. Oseme, stand here. Oseme,
He said police. He's coming out okay.
Plan for these children. Stephen Gage died in action poverty.
Exactly.
Rashidi Yekini died in action poverty.
It's true.
Go and ask about Oruma. People that represented this country, footballers, they are suffering. No appointment to one of them. Governor, they may be the best safety. Like governor on the other. Why? What is the dancing for? Are you in our one day? Ndị vote will in a na ha na-ata afụfụ or na ị na-agba dị egwu afọ ị na-agba as a governor, senator or president na people n'onwe fa na fa na-eriju afọ. What you are showing the paper ntọọnụ, that's what you're telling them. But you go to foreign country, you cannot see politicians dancing. They are busy to work out the economy of their children. They are busy cracking their brain, believing the future to develop the country for the future of the children get on board. You know myself, you know the party. I pray for you all in this country. I receive. Pray I walk for this one.
Oh my goodness. This your old video. This clip is not a recent one, but they really make a point. Okay, 11 p.m. Okay. High scent. I see you. Biafra will stand. Nothing more. Yes, you're right. OC. Wow, I see you today. Where have you been, OC? Hello, brother. Enemy of progress talking. Enemy of progress talking. What do you mean by that? Is the major enemy of progress? What do you mean by that, please? Let me know. Is there anything that he said here that warrant you to call him like enemy of progress? Any problem at all? Let me know.
Look at police officer. Go to the ground, careful. Or go we go. If I put I need go. And as I'm a governor, Oga wari awayo. Oga what balo go on and keep us wa. Makongo no pit ma. Balo go on and keep us wa. Oya go no juma pata. Jay put the cop. Unu go on a cop. Cop unu for what? The plan on country prepare for the component generally I have ever catch and cruise. Oseme, stand here. Oseme,
Okay,
ee gị na-ebunye ka ọkwa ọgwụkwana
this
ụmụ
video is
ebe ndị
recent
Grand
one.
polish.
Oh. This video the Major made is recent video. It's not old one because what got me confused is where he mentioned Iqbal, governor of Abia State. He forgot that the current governor now is Oti, not is it Oti or Oja? I forgot his name. Is is no longer Iqbal. Iqbal is no more. He's no more. He's no more governor. He's no more the governor of Abia State. I think the current governor is from Labour Party, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, how many of you? This is why I love to stream with a phone. There are some things that I would like to show you, but I can't show it here because I'm not using StreamYard or anything as such. I would have loved to. There's this guy that looked like a half caste that works in Nigerian government. I think he worked as one of the is it PA of Tinubu. There was a video he made where he was telling people that Tinubu is building laying pipe from Niger and Niger Delta to somewhere in Niger to all those North Africa and all that. That he's building the economy of the country, and he was hyping Buhari in that video. Now the same man is now working with the Tinubu, and he have started again. He granted interview with one of the this is the Igbo guy that normally interviews celebrities or people. I think the guy have interviewed Pastor Jerry and Emeki Ike. Emeki went to his platform also. The name of the guy is Chude. Let me speak with Chude Jidenwo. Is it Jidenwo? Jidenwo? Jidenwo. I think he's an Igbo guy. That guy is an Igbo guy, or maybe from South South. The guy is here telling people that Tinubu works a lot. He goes to bed at 3 a.m. Yeah. If Nigeria is a country, I thought it is Nzama talking. No, it's not Nzama, it's Odumeje. It's Odumeje. If Nigerian is a country that question people, like after you lie to people, and there's a system of provision for people to call you out and question you, many of these people would, I think that none of them will come out, in public to say anything anymore. Because this man have said a lot of nonsense during the Buhari's regime, and he's here saying the same thing again, making the same promises and trying to confuse people, to convince them that Tinubu is doing fine and doing all this. Oh my goodness, hello man. Okay, there's a Nigerian army that were dancing in Biafra land. Dancing, to me, like I always say, they protested. They were protesting against what they are witnessing in Biafran land. There's what is called OG. I don't know how many of you know OG. Those things that thing that the masquerade normally hold in their in hand. If you grow up in a village, you understand what I'm saying. We call it OG. So how many of you know that Nigerian military, one of the army man hold that in that video. He was holding it. He was holding that in the video. PM have come out to reveal where they got it from. Because I was wondering what does this has to do with their protest? Why are they holding OG? What does it what does it represent? But PM have just exposed it. PM just exposed it. I was surprised to hear that is 3 hours ago. PM posted it 3 hours ago. That is late hour. He said the terrorist Nigerian army going to war in different land with native, that's a native doctor, going to war with native, and the native doctor was decimated. So they acquired the native doctor. They took the OG. Maybe they believe there's a power in that OG. But if that OG has power, Why? Where is the owner of the OG? Where is the military relying on native doctor to to go to war? Everything is possible in Nigeria. Everything is possible. Oh my goodness. Military going to war with OG. Ah, now juju. That one na juju. No be small thing. No be small thing. Let me just play the voice of this man. Probably some of you will recognize him by his voice. I think just few minutes. I think a minute video.
In the sense that I know, like us. We're saying hang in there because we can see that there is an end to this. But from my perspective now, from this seat, be patient with us. I'm working with a man who I can personally vouch for in the sense that I know that he's going to bed at 2, 3 a.m. every single night, including Sundays. He's waking up at 7, 8 every single morning, including Sundays. Opening his...
Please, can we be honest here? Does Tinubu look like somebody that wake up so early like this man and sleep later? Diana said everyone in APC government are fake people that have nothing planned for the Nigerians. That fake promises. They have not for Nigerians than fake promises. Okay. Does Tinubu look like somebody that will wake up 5 a.m. very agile? Does he like if you see Tinubu and his body language and everything? Does he? Can we be honest for once? Tinubu, that even during his campaign, people were saying that he can that this one will buy in few months time. Immediately he won the election. Every Tinubu added, where he got some energy. I don't know. Is this live? Yes, Flip is. I am live. I am live. I'm live. This is late hour broadcast. I decided to come online this hour. I was free before now, but I decided to see how this late hour broadcast will be when people must have closed from their work, and some people decided maybe just for us to spend some time before you go to bed. By special grace of God, I will get a WhatsApp so that any in this kind of program you can call in and tell us what you think about what we are discussing. So I think that's the best way, because normally I share link here, but some of us don't like to appear on camera. So some people have asked me, some of them DM me and said that they want that I should get a number, but giving you a number to call doesn't make sense. I think WhatsApp is a free call. It should be the best way so that you don't need to waste your money, calling the line and all that. Even you can call the line if you want, but WhatsApp provision is best way to go. Because everybody, I think 99% of everybody have that WhatsApp. Not like some people don't like Viber or Skype. Those ones they look like old fashioned. So what is on board now is WhatsApp, and everybody have it on their phone. So I think that should be the best way.
Like us. We're saying hang in there because we can see that there is an end to this. But from my perspective now, from this seat, be patient with us. I'm working with a man who I can personally vouch for in the sense that I know that he's going to bed at 2, 3 a.m. every single night, including Sundays. He's waking up at 7, 8 every single morning, including Sundays, opening his files, working into the late night when no one's there to say anything good or bad about him. He's doing the work. He's a workaholic, and he's doing it all to build a country that is reflective of the progressive, advanced, developed, and prosperous society.
I swear this guy need to go jail. This man need to enter prison. In fact, I will try my best to see if I can lay hand on the similar interview he granted about about Buhari. He was telling people that the lay foundation, the plan is to take oil to North Africa to build a sustainable economy that will make people to do this and do that. Nigeria will have every to have a steady power supply, food. If you can go to market and buy food. Wow! If you listen to that, you say, "Wow, this guy is the," and he's half caste, and he's more criminal minded than people that are black. This guy needs if Nigeria is a decent country, I swear this man need to they need to try this man. I don't know where they bring him. I don't know where they bring him. There's no atom of a foreigner in this guy's spirit. He's even worse than people that grew up in Nigeria that are not in politics. This guy, Lai Mohammed, is better than this guy. I'm telling you. At least you can say Lai Mohammed, maybe he's lying because he's not well informed. But this guy is a young guy and he claimed to study abroad. Of course, he have caste, he must have studied somewhere. Even if he's not in the first, maybe uh, maybe somewhere in third world country like Nigeria, but it's not in Nigeria. It's not in Nigeria. I don't know where they pick him up that every APC are using him to do this magomago. They need to question this guy. Oh. He don't just come to social and Nigerian journalists are just another problem on their own. They don't even have normally if a journalist want to interview you, the journalist need to do some research about the person that you want to interview to know his antecedent, his work and what he have said in the past, the role that he has played in the past in public office, and that kind of thing. To have something that you can so that you when the person comes to your program, you can throw him off with some. You can just ask a question, pertinent question that people are scared of asking. But this guy is doing a pundit and he's not even doing his job. He just fold hand, waiting. And this guy was vomiting all manner of nonsense. That Tinubu sleep late hour and wake up very early. I appreciate you, bros. My best. How are you? I see you. I see you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for joining me this late hour. So some of these people, that's why I can't wait to see a decent country in Africa. The country that if you do nonsense, they will question you. Some of us have been to Muslim country, other Muslim countries. So, when you travel to some of the Muslim country, you see a different thing from what Muslims are doing in Nigeria. Not all of them are what we are witnessing in Nigeria. Some of them are decent in terms of, if you lie to them, that lie will trigger their anger to question you to know what made you to think to say that kind of thing. But in Nigeria, once they lie, everybody, all their brother and sister will jump out to protect that lie. Then let me read your comment. I just received it. The video you are talking about, I deleted it in my archive last week. That guy is a moron. I wish you can. I wish you still have that video, Diana. He was telling everybody that Buhari is this. Just give him a chance. That he is the man. That he's a visionary. In that video, that Buhari is a visionary. And now Buhari is no more in his statement. He now want to, mold Tinubu to become another visionary. That remember, Buhari was a visionary to him for 80 good years. He have Nigerians in his heart. This guy need to go. They need to, question him seriously to explain more what he said in the past. You don't just say for saying sake and they'll leave you. Ozemena Dim, I see you. I see you. I see you. Thank you. Thank you. Then I wish you can still lay hand on that video. It is very, very important that because this kind of people, wow, Armstrong, those people are just stomach infrastructure. Exactly. Exactly. Somebody imported him down to Nigeria. Maybe his mother is a. I'm suspecting that this guy, there's no way this guy will escape being from. What's the name of this country that people, Nigerians are always having children with them? One country somewhere in the Middle East. What's the name of this country? Not Kuwait, not Kuwait. My goodness. What's the name of this country? One Arab country like that. Don't worry. Let me see if I can remember because this guy must come from that place. Not Syria. Is it is it Lebanon? I think Lebanon. Yeah, Lebanon. I think Lebanon. Romania. No, not Romania. I don't think I don't know where he come from, but not Romania. This one, Romania is not in not Pakistan. No, not Pakistan. I think Lebanon. Who is that? The guy that is I don't know how to. I would have loved to share his video, but I'm not streaming from StreamYard or OBS. I'm streaming direct. This direct streaming. PM made a position with that point man video. We know him. We know him well. I think that man because PM said you are right. You are right, George. There's Lebanon. He is either Qatar or Lebanon. I'm sure of Lebanon. He's either he's from Lebanon or Mauritania. But Mauritania are more dark to compare this guy. Not Agurele. I'm strong. I don't understand what I mean by that. I'm suspecting. I'm not sure where he come from, but I'm suspecting that he there's no way this guy will escape Lebanon or Mauritania, Niger Republic from those side as food soldier. But when it come to opening foreign bank account, Lebanon and Mauritania, his name sounds like that. Let me see if I can locate his name from that post. Let me see. Ajuri, Ajuri Niglala. Oh, is that why you said Agurele? Ajuri, Ajuri. His name is Ajuri Niglale, Ngelale, and he's working in a top rank in Nigerian politics. So, what is? Are you even sure that this guy is holding anything, has anything connected to him with Nigeria? This may be someone, maybe all those politicians, maybe the son of one of the side chick of those politicians. They just bring him to the company because to him he's working in a company somewhere in West Africa. That's why he can lie. This kind of lie that people tell in company just to sustain their job and all that. Well, there's no point of this guy after what he said about about Buhari. He's out still, saying a lot of a lot of nonsense in the name of protecting and making points for Tinubu. Freeman, I see you. Yes, I remember him. Thank you, thank you. The guys, the level of nonsense that we when you watch that video where he was praising Buhari, my goodness, you say, wow. You just say, okay, let me just wait and see let Buhari regime finish so you can see all these good things that he said. But here, he's no more talking about Buhari. Even when people are talking, saying, wow, Buhari, the same government that he's serving now have come out to say that Buhari, finished the economy, that the Nigerian pocket were very dry when Tinubu resumed office. But Tinubu have not said anything about the van, the car that they saw carrying money in his compound and all that. They have not said anything about it, and no journalists have the zeal to even interview Tinubu or question him whatsoever. You dare not. That is why, if not that we are planning to have our own nation, that Biafra is what everybody is focusing on, I would have said that it's better to go back to military regime because what I'm seeing now is, there's this kind of pain when you see your fellow civilian in the name of democracy showing you what ordinarily should have come from a military man. They are using you can see people who don't even know, they have not even receive any formal training, as military and from military or anything. They just want to, because they are president, they can do anything, they can say anything. The same thing that normally you can see or receive from military is it is not something that your fellow civilian is giving to you. Therefore, is what we are looking for. That's what I'm saying. So if not, I would have paid more attention on how this economy and everything. But to be honest with you, I don't give a damn about it. I don't. I'm telling you, gospel truth. I don't give. I don't even feel anything like. Biafran Liberation Army Ross posted a video this night. I may show you that it's just kind of comic video where one guy just tie rope on a tree and went up there with his beer in his hand and one lap of chicken. So the cameraman that was videoing the guy from down, and the title it was let me read the title. They put the title as if it is something bad, that happened to this guy, that he committed suicide due to the hardship. The camera will be going moving slowly, slowly, slowly. Before you know, when the camera gets up to the where the guy where you can see his face and his hand, you see him holding beer and chicken. And this is somebody you were when you started seeing when you started viewing that with his leg and the long rope that he put there, you say, "Wow, this guy just killed himself, or he committed suicide and all that," without knowing the guy is there enjoying food. That's the kind of video that people are putting there, putting to just to mock Nigerian economy and all that. You see, this guy that I was just talking about, somebody, where's this video? Don't tell me you have disappeared. What do these men have in common? Olamilakan, this Dudu guy. This guy attached picture of. Can anybody remind me of this lawyer that always claimed that he knows everything? The lawyer that were very vocal against P2B in support of Tinubu, that devoted his time. And if you follow this type Nigerian election, you will remember the person that we're talking about. Fakana. Not Fakana. This one is Falana. No, not that one. Falana, he was kind of liberal. He was not tell that. No, not Falana. I know who you were talking about. This one is from somewhere in. I think he's from Middle Belt. No, he's not called Yoruba. He's not called Yoruba. What is the name of this guy? I can see his picture here, but I don't know his name. Let me see if I can go through comments. But this Toduduwa brother attached the guy photo and one other man that I don't know, and this man that I just told you, this half caste, and Lai Mohammed, and he said, "What do they have in common? What do they have?" He said, "What do they have in common?" Okay, let me see if I can get. I wish to know that lawyer is very, very common. He was the one that claimed to have any answer against Obi. He claimed that he have any answer at all. When he was questioned about the certificate of Tinubu, he claimed that he have seen it. Yes, of course, lie. Olumilaka, he is in US. Okay, the guy that put I just went to his Twitter and saw what he put there. He said he's in US. All right. He's obedient, according to what I'm saying there. He's obedient. Armstrong, the answer is perfect. You got it. There, once you see Lai Mohammed, of course, you must answer Lai. And this young guy too, this half caste guy that I just told you about. He is another very deadly liar. So far as long as Nigeria is concerned, he is another deadly liar. He can lie with anything in him. He can lie with anything.
Yeah, you collect money, don't say that to the
This guy, this is another police officer in Kogi State. Armed robber were operating in a bank in Aiba, or Kogi State. They called it the Aiba, Kogi State. So in Kogi State, armed robber they were operating there, and this police officer decided to come, run to one hidden place and hide. People were people zoom camera from their house. Before I showed us a good morning, sir. Chibike, I see you, I see you, I see you. You are awake also. I see you, my brother. Nice to see you this late hour. So this police officer went to hide somewhere in somebody's fence, and people were videoing him from their house, zooming the camera. He don't even know that they're capturing him. Why armed robber were doing what they know how to do in a bank, according to the person that posted this. Hmm.
Azago. Ay, nakanagwa mo no. Azago pe ozago pa no chi wona. Ah, aka gwa ka jo kon di chi ake. Business. Hmm. Obi ba anoko. Hmm. Una na no wi na-ekwu. Ọ aka ebuchi ọnwa. Agbawo dịka izu. Agbagharịa ya. Ebe na-emekwa n'ibe ahụ a ndị ebe na-agba ya morning walk ngagharị nke ụtụtụ ka gwa ndị ichie okwu ka fa nnukwu udo budoro anyị. A sị na Amaka ga-emere onye ọbụla ebe ọbụla ị nọ were anụ ọnụ m n'ụbọchị nke taata. A sị na ife ọnwa ya emere go na ibe nwere nsogbu gị niile anago n'ụbọchị nke taata. Ị mara ibe anwa na-aba gị n'okwu, metụ aka n'okpokwu, tie aka n'okpokwu, jide ya aka, egosikwana mmụọ ka okpogotogo. Yọọ ayọ niile, kpee ekpere ibe niile ịchọ ka o mere gị n'ụbọchị nke taata. Ana m agwa gị na ọ ga-emere gị. Ife ọma ya emere gị n'ụbọchị taata. Taata wee ke.
For the sake of those who don't understand Igbo language, this is one of the traditionalists in Igbo land saying some prayers and giving direction on how you can declare good things for yourself, in the morning. So I'm not going to play it to the end because many people that are here don't understand the Igbo language. And it's just about, not that he's preaching for Biafra or freedom, but he's just saying prayers and something like that. No, I saw this post before, but the person that posted it moved the audio. I would like to air it. It's all about green, white, green, Nigerian, US. And the person you hear her voice said her name is Ejiro, Ada Ejiro. And anyway, let me not
Lucky
go.
man, lucky man. I greet you, Mazi. Okay, Biafra. There, whoa, my brother. I hope you are good. My TikTok account was suspended yesterday until on the 12th of March. So I couldn't go live. I wanted to join your program yesterday with my other TikTok account. But I was suspended. They suspended me. I've appealed. I don't know if they will lift it up. I don't know if they will lift it up because it wasn't really intentional. The reason why they suspended me, they suspended me because of.
Lady, can you hear what she's saying? Can you hear what she's saying? Because the title of this video is all about Ekperima, Kanonta, Ejimako, and how they are going to clean up their mess and all that. So I want to hear a listen from, because it's always good to hear from green, white, green people to know what they're thinking and see how the level of their reasoning and what they can offer. I have not played this lady video ever before. I know I have heard about her name, but I have not, waste time to watch her. But when I saw one of the cabinet member in different government agencies sharing her video, and was a kind of responding to what she said. I said, okay, if I lay my hands on the video, I will share it. Now, the person that posted that made Twitter to feed me this video is IPOB Rapture Media. If you followed Masamokano from the old time, you understand what Rapture Media, that they are the one that always stream Masamokano when he's live, and they have used their profile now to pay homage to Nigerian government, green, white, green. So he posted this video, and from his platform, I'm not following him on Twitter. I don't follow him. The only person that I follow on Twitter is one of them, which I'm not going to mention. I follow him not because I concur with what he's saying, no, but I always want to comment on his video too. I always, those ones that are punctual in terms of blackmail and propaganda, that even PM change clothes now, he want to post about it. So I followed him on it. So just to follow him and see his activities, and most of my video comes from that as well. Now let me allow the video to roll.
Of one of our brother. He was sorry anyway. He apologized, and I decided to, okay, what can I do? He said it wasn't intentional, and I believed him. I believe it's not intentional. So
Yeah, Rapture Media, yes.
my account is under suspension. Normally, within 30 minutes, 1 hour, I will go and check to know if they have uplifted it. So I said, let me come and do this program here. My goodness, what Facebook have done. Facebook have really.
Let me shift this video because. Let me shift this video because she's just talking nonsense.
They are doing what they are doing. At that moment, they attack. Even though you went to court with Mazin Amikano to go and do whatever you think you're doing there, we IPOB will tell you that we don't recognize whatever you have done. We don't recognize your efforts. The only effort we recognize and will continue to recognize, even though no matter how the zoological republic wants to keep our leader, they are going to release our leader one day because they will get tired of keeping him. Because keeping Mazin Amikano, they have seen that it has not changed anything in the Biafra struggle. It has only created a little bit of distraction. It has made some people to expose themselves to really show that they are career freedom fighters. They are not genuine. Because the genuine ones, they are still standing tall with this very leadership of the struggle. It doesn't matter the confusion the enemies are trying to put in place. Okay? So, Ejimako, your efforts are dead on arrival. You have nothing to offer. You are just a desperate lawyer who wants to promote your name. You want to gain fame. You want to be somewhere, and you think that Mazin Amikano is the only ladder that you can climb, that you can use to climb to promote your name. You want all the newspaper in Nigeria. You want all the international newspaper to carry your name that, oh, this Nnamdi Kanu has been released, and this man is his lawyer. Okay, see you guys, okay? Bon appetit. So, this is what Ejimako is planning to achieve. Ejimako wants his name to be written in all Nigerian newspaper, in international newspaper, that, oh, this is the lawyer that fought to release Nnamdi Kanu. That there is nothing else this man is looking for. It's just that fame, that position. That is where he wants to be. So that is why I am talking about desperation. People that are desperate, they will bring you down. Look at everything that Simon Ekpa was saying about Ejiofor. They were all coming from these three people. They were working together before. They want to make sure they bring Ejimafor's reputation down. They want to tarnish that man's image. Okay? They want. Okay. What I want to ask Ejimako now? Where were you when Mazin Amikano sent Ejiofor to go and look for Mike Ezekume? Where were you, Ejimako? Didn't Mazuna Mikano already knew that you were there? You had been there before he was kidnapped. Why didn't Mazuna Mikano say that, Ejiofor, please, I want Ejimako to be in charge? Why didn't he ask you to be in charge? Why did he have to go and look for a son? Why did he have to go and look for?
You see, one thing I noticed in this whole thing is that once you once you are always associated with, even if when you are, if you are decent and you're kind of smart, if you associate yourself for a very long time in the midst of illiterate or people who don't know their left or right, the tendency of you becoming like them is very, very high. I don't know this lady. I'm not saying that she's smart, but sometimes I wonder if I wonder how they live their own. Do they live in a different world, or is it the same thing that we are seeing, or what? Ejimako, the reason why Masamukano, I don't like Ejimako. After immediately he came out and read that letter they handed over to him, that's the way where I use my cleaner to clean him off from my own book. Okay. But let us be honest for once. A job that this woman is defending here, the reason why Masnakano send him to any message, because I'm not the what she said there is not verified. I don't know if he is the one actually, approached her or Zokame, which may be true because Ozokman later followed his line of action. Do you understand? So it may be true because now Ozokame had painted himself just like a Ejiofor. But you don't expect Master Mekano to put Ejimako first before Ejiofor. Remember, Master had been with Ejiofor for a very long time. But immediately after they kidnapped him, oh yeah, Mama, maybe it took him some time to understand what happened, where his kidnap come from. Even if he was able to understand it, he need to listen to people that are close to him, people that are visiting him in the prison, in the detention. So you like she's here asking, why is it that Master Morcano did not allow you to go to get Ozokeme? Master Morcano will respect him because they have been working together, and he is number one lawyer of Master Morcano, being a Joffo. But the time must come when Master Morcano will say, okay, I think you have stayed over welcome. That's what happened. And you attacking, let us imagine your own brother. All of us have siblings, right? Your own brother is in detention, or you are in detention, God forbid, and your brother your siblings are coming there to see you. Do you really think you will undermine what your siblings are telling you? There's no way you just, even if you resist them at first time will come when you pay more close attention to what they're telling you because they are your siblings. So for you that Masakano formed this group, IPOB, he is the one that formed it. Everything. Registered it, everything. So you that just joined that group cannot come to plant something that will be higher or more pure than Master Namoreka. And you can't do that. Even if you want to do it, you must go through mutual understanding. You cannot just, like those of you that are in DOS, supporters of DOS, and you really think that by attacking Kanonta will make Master Kano to love you the more. You are joking. Have you asked yourself why PM is not out on Master Kano siblings, Kanota, despite what Kanota have committed? Do you know that Simon Ekpa PM is very, very reserved when it comes to Kanota Kano? The reason why you have not seen him bashing him, throwing word on him, there's a reason for that. There's a reason. Or Master Kano's wife. Have you seen PM sit down and host a program against Masakano's wife? There's a reason. But you see all those DOS, they don't care. You fight Master Prophet, you fight Master Kano's sister, you fight Kano Takano, you fight this, you fight that. Master Kano, some PM is not happy with Kano Takano, which most of us are the same. But you don't just come out and start making posts against him. Wait, even if you don't suspect, even if you know that he's not getting it right and all that, you just wait and see. I think that is the best way to go. But these people, they don't give a damn. They will always want to attack and do and say this and say that and do this and do that. I think I will play this video, this her video, on my program tomorrow because it's a very lengthy video, very, very long one. So I will allow the video to I will end it here, okay, to play it and analyze it tomorrow. That's what I will do. That's all. This is just how many minutes in the video? Let me see where I stop. Okay. Okay, this is just a few seconds. Yeah, few seconds. It's not even a minute. This is 27 seconds. 27 seconds. But the video is almost. This I think this is a live. This is a live stream that she did. It's a very long video. I will share it on my. I will share it and so that I will not miss it tomorrow because I'm not following the person that posted it. I will just share it for my program tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to look into it properly, from top to bottom. And this is in summer. Let me play the.
Biafra has not done today. Today, Akwa people, we officially reject anything Biafra because Biafra has not done to be a fraud. The Biafra that we know, Mazina Mikano, fighting for freedom for the past 10 years is different from the Biafra today that we are seeing. The Biafra today has not turned to be a fraud, has not turned to blackmail, has not turned to criminals, has not turned to naked photo sharers. Therefore, we, the Akwa Ibom people, Cross River State people, we refuse and we reject anything Biafra.
Have I made myself clear to you now, Samonepa, that this is what you did that is making most of the people to angry? Have I made myself clear to you? So you don't come and say that again to me. Don't do that again. Please. I'm not a child and I'm not a baby. And I'm not a pushing over. I'm not a pushing over. I'm not the who you go say that.
And today, they have been brought down from top to bottom. From top to bottom.
Oh my goodness. These are Idu people. Okay, tomorrow we are going to play that Nsema and Bobrisky. Tomorrow we are going to play that Ejiro. I think Ejiro should be from what is it? Warri? Should be from Warri. Okay, because the name Ejiro is from that side. So I will allow you people to rest. I'm going to rest as well because tomorrow I'm going to work. We are going to talk tomorrow. Have a wonderful night and sleep well. Okay. See you tomorrow, guys. Take care and thank you for your time with me. I really appreciate. Diana said the IPB green, white, green are all empty barriers that makes the greatest noise. They have nothing to offer than gossiping evil people everywhere. They gossip that the IPOB do. To them, they think that is the best way to fight for your freedom and all that. But you have seen where they are operating. They're people that just wake up and tell you that they are going underground. They want to go underground to dig something. There's a IPOB underground workers. Those people are there still alive. There are. You see my turn to Tinubu media aid, and I don't know. Tinubu APC people are very wicked, honestly. I was even thinking they would recognize him upon all the video and time he's wasting putting out there to promote them. Even to he ordered Tinubu cap, and when he comes online, he always when he's streaming live and doing his video, he put on this Tinubu cap. So the other lady later said that she's in a noodle freedom fight, noodle freedom fighter. That is it favor somebody Ogala? Is it Ogala? I think Ogala is Ogala, something like that is her name. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate Armstrong. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Freeman, thank you. George, thank you. Am I missing anybody so far? I think this is enough. Okay. See you again tomorrow. Enjoy your night. Bye bye, guys.